All right, here is a 2024 AGT NT45. This one's got a Kubota diesel motor. You got all kinds of stuff on this one. You got the backfill blade, got the hydraulic thumb on there, 23-inch bucket, the digging bucket, 59-inch backfill blade. Pretty nice unit, 4.5 ton. Let's check out the motor compartment. So a lot of room to work on it, which is nice. If something were to go wrong. Looks like he's got the preheat going. Look at him. He's ready to operate. Got junior operator today. Okay. Look at this rig. This thing's nice. Good color. It's got it all. We'll fire it up real quick. Very quiet, which is nice. Everything works very smooth on it. Compared to the little ones over there, they're a little touchy. Got to get some hours on it before you can figure out how to go around it smooth. All right. Let me show you inside the cab a little bit. Hold on. We got what does that show? Shows the hours, 1.2, I guess. We'll spin it around, you can show you. Fuel gauge, temperature gauge, bunch of lights here. I'm going to show you the inside. So we don't like to turn them on the the pavement because it tears up the road and the tracks. So we're not going to spin this around. Everything works. It spins around in a circle, just like all the excavators. I'm going to turn it a little bit. So she's pretty quick. It's got some speed to it. I think that's about it. What else is he gonna do? Oh, still doing a little demo. Hydraulic thumb. Nice. So that's going to do it. April 26th is going to be our preview day. 9 to 4, you can come check out all the items in our sale. Equipment, tools, we got all kinds of stuff. Golf carts, utility carts, you name it, we got it. Auctions on the 27th. Any questions in the meantime, let us know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.